Hi, it's Ariane. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, why is now a good time to buy? Or why should I buy right now anyway? So first and foremost, the reason it's a good time to buy, even though it's a seller's market, it's still a good time for a buyer to invest, is because the interest rates are low. Now, you may have heard that before, and some people may not fully understand what that means, but think about it. You're taking a loan from the bank and you're repaying the loan back, right? Wouldn't you want to borrow the money at the lowest interest rate possible versus paying a higher interest rate for the same property? So on the flip side, a lot of people say, oh, I don't want to overpay, the market's going to crash. There's no guarantee that the market will crash. So in 2008, that's in an era of its own. There's no guarantee that will ever happen again. There are a lot of precautions that the financial institutions or, the lenders, the banks have taken to prevent the market from ever tanking as bad as it did in 2008. So when people say, oh, the market's going to crash, that's not necessarily true. And even if the market did tank or crash, it's not going to reduce the property you're looking at buying by, say, $50,000. It's just going to stop where it's at. So say you're looking at a $300,000 property and the market is tanking. It's just going to stay at 300. Like, it's not going to revert. That's not what's happening. So the reason to buy right now is to lock in that low interest rate. If you're waiting for the market to crash, when the market crashes, interest rates go up. So you're going to pay either way. The only person who has a real advantage is a cash investor. But if you're buying and you're using a loan, it's best to borrow that money when you have the lowest interest rates, because if the market does go down, which I don't believe it'll do substantially, but if, let's just say for a hypothetical, it goes down, the interest rates are going to go up. This is basic supply and demand. If there's little supply and the demand is high, the prices are high. That's where we are now. If there's no demand for these houses, the interest rates are going to go up. The banks have to make their money some sort of way. In that case, they're going to be making their money based on higher interest rates. So that's my recommendation. Still proceed, with purchasing a home right now. If a bank, a lending institution is willing to give you a loan right now and you can take advantage of it, remember, buying a home, buying real estate in general is an investment. The goal is for you to build equity over time. So you buy a home today, in 2 years, it's going to appreciate. Just like investing in the stock market, investing in anything, there is risk associated with making investments, but the risk in this case is a very small risk because the real estate market is going to appreciate. It has been appreciating. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. If anyone's ready to start the process, feel free to reach out to me as well. I'm more than happy to help, and I will see you in the next video.